Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variable. So basically in this chapter we are going to study about some methods, for example elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method and equation reducible in linear equation in two variable. In all these, the first method we are going to study is graphical method. So this is very important method, that is graphical method. So in this method we require some graph papers also, means we will represent linear equation into variable on graph. So according to this chapter's name, that is pair of linear equations in two variable, means the equations which represent a line and they consist of two variables, means this line will consist of two variables. So here we can say suppose any equation, for example we have writing 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and one more equation, suppose x minus y equals to 5. So these are two equations and these are consist of two variable x and y. So we will call them as pair of linear equation in two variable. Now so starting from exercise 3.1, so see question number 1. In question number 1 we have Aftab tell his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't this interesting? Now represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So first we will represent equation. Now so according to solution, in first here we have given let the present age of Aftab be x. So we will consider Aftab present age be x and present age of his daughter may be y. So we can take x and y. So present age of Aftab is x and present age of his daughter be y. Now we can write 7 years ago. So age of Aftab 7 years ago, it will be x minus 7, and similarly age of his daughter after 7 years ago, means before 7 years, it was y minus 7. Now according to question, so according to question it is saying that 7 years before age of Aftab was 7 times that of his daughter. That means we can write this equation x minus 7 equals to 7 into y minus 7. So by solving it, it will be x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49. So here one equation will form. So one equation will this, that is x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Now similarly for making second equation, also 3 years from now or after 3 years, age of Aftab will become x plus 3. After 3 years, age of Aftab will be x plus 3. Similarly after 3 years, age of his daughter will be y plus 3. Now according to situation, after 3 years he will be 3 times of his daughter's age. So equation will become x plus 3 equals to 3 into y plus 3. Now this equation will become x plus 3 equals to 3 y plus 9. Now so second equation will be x minus 3y equals to 6, and first equation was this x minus 7y equals to minus 47. Now from these two equations we will form substituting equation number 1 from equation number 2 we get. So we will by substituting these value we will get this thing, that is y 4y equals to 48. So y will equals to 12. So value of y will be equals to 12. Now algebraic expression is represented by first equation will be x minus 7 by y equals to minus 42 and x minus 3y equals to 6. Now from x minus 7y equals to minus 42 and x equals to minus 42 plus 7y, by solving this we can make this table. So according to this table we are taking x and y. So from first equation, when value of x is minus 7, y will be 5. When value of x 0, y will be 6. When value of x 7, y will also equals to 7. From second equation we can make this table. When x equals to 6, y will be 0, and x equals to 4, y will be minus 1, and when x equals to 0, y will be minus 2. So this is the table which represent value of x and y. Now with the help of this table, these are solutions. By putting these solution on graph paper, we can make a graphical representation. So this is the graphical representation. According to this graph, we can represent these line. So by putting these points which we have find it, we can draw this line and this line. Now, so this is a graphical represent of the given solution or given situation. So in this way we can solve this question number 1. Now after this, see question number 2. So in question number 2, we have given the coach of cricket team buy 3 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more ball for the same kind for rupees 1,300. So represent the situation algebraically. Now, so according to question, let us assume the cost of one bat be y and let cost of one ball be y. So cost of one bat we can take x and cost of one ball we can take y. So according to question, we have given cost of 3 bat and 6 ball is 3,900, means 3x plus y or 6y, because we are taking 6 balls, that is equals to 3,900. So first equation will become here 3x plus 6y equals to 3,900. So by solving this, this equation will become here x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Now according to second situation is given that she buys another bat and 3 more ball, means another bat means here one bat means x and 3 more ball means 3y. So total cost become 1,300. So in this way we have two solutions or two equation. One is 3x plus 6y equals to 3,900 and another is x plus 3y equals to 1,300. Now so with the help of these two equation we can make these two tables. So from one table, when value of x equals to 300, y will be 500. When x equals to 100, y will be 600. When x equals to 700, y will be 300. Similarly, in second solution or second equation, we have given when value of x equals to 400, y will be 300. When x equals to 100, y will be 400, and when x equals to 700, y will be 200. So with the help of these solutions, the graphical representation is as follow. So we can also show graphical representation. So graphical representation will be like this. So with the help of first equation, we can make this line will be formed on the graph paper, and with the help of second equation we can make this line. So the point where these two lines meet, this is the point, or we can say where these two points are meeting with each other. So in this way we can find cost of one ball and cost of one bat. Now so similarly we can do this question. Now after this, see question number 3. In question number 3, we have given the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on the day was found to be rupees 160. Now after a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Now represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Now in this question, let the cost of 1 kg of apple be x. We can take cost of 1 kg apple be x and let cost of 1 kg grapes be y. Now according to the question, so we can say cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grape is 160. That means 2x plus y equals to 160. Now another equation we can form 4y plus 2y equals to 300. So these two equation will be form with the help of these two equations we can make this table. So when value of x is 50, y will be 60, when value of x is 60, y will be 40, and when value of x 70, y will be 20. Similarly, with the help of second equation we can make this table. When x equals to 70, y equals to 10, when x equals to 80, y will be minus 10, and when x equals to 75, y will be 20. Now, so from this we can make graphical representation. So graphical representation of this will be here. So this is the graphical representation. So according to graphical representation we can make these two lines. So these two lines will be formed like this. So here this is the graphical representation of this question. Now, so in the same way you have to try this exercise, and on next session we will try next exercise, that is 3.2, and in that exercise we will study about some rules of linear equation of in two variable, and we will also study about some important questions of graphical method, and then we will start elimination methods. So all of you, thank you for watching this video, and all of you have a nice day.